Public domain, how to create legal derivative works. Imagine taking an old story, a famous painting, or a classic song, and turning it into something fresh and new. How can you do that without stepping on legal toes? That's what we're here to find out. When a work is in the public domain, it means no one owns it anymore, so you can use it freely. But creating a derivative work that is legal needs some careful steps. First, you need to be sure the original work is truly in the public domain. This can happen when the copyright has expired, which usually takes about 70 years after the creator's death, or if the work was never protected in the first place. Once you confirm that, you can start thinking about how to add your own creative touch. A derivative work is anything based on or inspired by the original, like a translation, a new movie based on a book, or a musical arrangement. To be legal, your new creation must include enough original content or significant changes. For example, if you take a public domain story and rewrite it with new characters or a different ending, that's a good start. But if you only change a few words or make minor edits, it might not be enough to qualify. Your new work can be protected by copyright, but only for the parts you add or change. The original public domain work stays free for everyone to use, so others can also create their own versions, but they cannot copy your unique additions without your permission. When making a derivative work, avoid using any trademarks or brand logos that might be part of the original work. For example, if you adapt a story that features a famous brand, using that brand in your new work could infringe on trademark rights. Also, if the original work involves patented inventions or processes, you might need a license to include those elements. Creating a new story, artwork, or film based on a public domain piece is a great way to build on existing culture. Just remember to add enough new creative content to make your work original. Always double-check that the original work is in the public domain and be cautious about trademarks or patents. This way, you can enjoy making your own versions while respecting the law.